Hey beauties, thank you so much for tuning back in. I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished product of this root chakra inspired look. So Muladhara chakra, or the root chakra, is located at the base of our spine. This chakra governs the divine principles that's related to our intuition, our survival, our willpower, and our purpose. Mula means root, and Dhara means foundation. The energies of the root chakra supports the physical body and the core capacities that we need to function and survive. As humans, there are 4 core instincts that we need for survival, and they usually surprise people, but here they are. The desire for food, sex, sleep, and self-preservation. Self-preservation itself is rooted in fear. It's the brain's innate way of protecting us from the unforeseen and the unknown. But facing our fears and doing the necessary work aligns the root chakra and creates the grounding and security that we need to function in the physical world. All can relate to some aspect. Having no grounding and security makes it hard to manage other aspects of your life and being. Although energies may sometimes seem unrelated, they are always connected. Our cognitive sense and primal instinct related to our root chakra is our sense of smell and our intuition. We use our sense of smell to become more aware of our surroundings and to make decisions about our food. And in the same way, we use our intuition to become more spiritually and emotionally aware. The anatomical connection between the root chakra and the physical body is at the tailbone, right there at the base of the spine, connected to our entire reproductive system, testes, vagina, your pelvic floor, also connected to your legs, feet, and lower abdomen. And so when the energetic field of the root chakra is out of alignment, the basic things that we need in our lives to provide security and grounding, we never seem to be able to come into harmony with. It shows up in our eating habits. Poor eating habits results in a body that is not functioning at its full capacity. It also shows up in our sex lives, attracting partners who are not healthy for us, indulging in toxic and harmful sexual patterns, and also not being able to freely express yourself sexually. And anatomically, both men and women deal with major health complications related to their digestive and sexual reproductive organs. Well, Nelly, how do I start working on bringing my root chakra into alignment? Outside of energy and spiritual work, one of the key components of root chakra work is your diet and your relationship with food. It's a component that's often left out because I believe so many of us have the same struggle. Myself included, girl. Don't beat yourself up. Show yourself some grace. This is a no judgment zone. Food is kryptonite to so many of us, but I have come to the knowing that changing my relationship with food and my diet is key to my next level of healing and consciousness, and so is yours. So as I grow and as I heal, I share and we grow and heal together. Another form of healing for the root chakra is strengthening the physical form through movement and exercise. Building those bones and muscles provides stability for the physical body. And as with any other aspect of life, even in makeup, we need a strong foundation. If we don't have a strong foundation, things are always imbalanced. If we can find balance in our root chakra, we can transmute that imbalanced energy into other areas of our lives and move in a more spiritual and purposeful direction. And in this time of global pandemic, we all need the power of our intuition and the strength of our physical bodies to survive, thrive, and create in this time. So breathe, my loves. Happy balancing and happy creating. If you're into astrology, the root chakra is governed by Saturn and the element is earth, grounding, right? For aromatherapy, you can burn scents like cinnamon, cedar, and myrrh. And for crystal work, you can work with stones like hematite and bloodstone. I'll add more information on chakra healing in the comments, and I'll also add a guided meditation. Happy balancing! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like or love and comment. I'm thoroughly enjoying reading your comments, so keep them coming. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, the lip is coming up. Nelly, the purpose-driven artist, consciously creating beauty with the purpose to heal. Thank you for watching.